Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to create a function in MATLAB that finds the root of any equation using Newton-Raphson method. This is the main formula of Newton-Raphson method, which is x final that I will get equals x initial, any value you enter as an initial value, minus f prime of x initial or minus f of x initial over f prime of x initial. So to create a function, we need our outputs, inputs, and the name of my function, and of course the operation. My input will be x, and my output will be x, and my inputs will be the function and the derivative of the function and the initial value, and how many times do you want to repeat this operation. So just go and write function in MATLAB. My input is x, my output is x, and the name of my function is Hermes R. I want to call it Hermes R. You can just call it whatever you want. So I need f and f prime, which is the first derivative, and x0, which is the initial value, and how many times you want to repeat this operation. Just go. Okay, so my operation is x equals the initial value of x, which is, let's say that x, minus f of the initial value over f prime of my initial value. I want to repeat it 10 times till the answer is, till this operation is finished. So just go and say for I equals from 1 to 10. So I'm telling MATLAB to repeat this operation 10 times till I get the final answer of x. Do not forget to initialize an x, which is x0. So just put it as 10 as example. Now close this operation, end it. It's done. Go and end it one more time. Okay, so it's from 1 to 10. We don't know what the user will enter, so just enter as n, because it's an input. And x, it's not 10. X equals x0 that you will get from the user, which is in the input of this function. Just go and save this operation. Save it as Hermes R. Yeah, save it. Now go to the command window to call it. We can't run a function. Just click on run. MATLAB will give you an error. What do you mean by run a function? We call a function. So Hermes of R, and before writing it, we should define what is f and what is f prime. As example, f equals the sign of an equation, which is this, and just enter your function x, as example, x to the power of 2 plus 2 times x minus 24. It's a function, okay? And f prime of this operation equals the sign of an equation, which is x or 2 times x plus 2. This is the first derivative of f of x. Now, using Hermes R function, you can find the root of this operation. So just go and write f and f prime and the initial value, which is 10 as example, and how many times you want to repeat it. I want to repeat it 10 times as example, or 15 times. Just close it, click enter. This is the root of my operation. Or you can just say that f equals, or just put it like this, f equals this, Control C and Control V, f equals x to the power of 4 or 5 as example, x to the power of 5 minus 7. Just close it. Then of course my f prime will be the sign of this function equals 5 times x to the power of 4. Just close it. Just use Hermes root finding formula. Hermes of R equals f prime, and I want my initial value to be 1 as example, and I want to repeat it 15 times or 17 times. Doesn't matter. Just close it, enter. This is my value. So this is the root of this equation. Just do it on the calculator and you will get the same value. If it's not, then it's approximately the same. That's all about Newton-Raphson method.